Hi everyone, today I'll be testing this battery pack to see if it's still usable. Is there a way to bring it back to life or is it based on saving? Stay tuned. Let's open the battery pack and see what we've got. Oh, look at that. Let's clean it up a bit. Let's check the voltage.
Good.
The voltage is way too high and that can be very dangerous. Let's use this tool to get a closer look. Can you guess what I'm about to do next? Keep watching. We're about to find out if this battery pack is still good. Look at that capacity. The voltage is too low. Did you notice the battery pack's capacity is down to just 650 mAh? We need to check the voltage of each pair of cells. So, unbalanced. Now, let's remove the battery cells and take a closer look. Can you guess what I'm going to test next? Check out the circuit board. Is the internal resistance. Want to know what internal resistance really means? Check out this video next. Uh-oh, it's really high. Over 30 million. The internal resistance is simply too high. These cells aren't suitable for power to battery parts. Let's rebuild this battery pack using Sony VTC5D cells. Let's check the internal resistance of each cells. Think you're done after rebuilding park? Not quite. Cell balancings can make all the difference.
A few moments later.
If your battery pack won't balance properly, this next video shows you the reason your battery fell early. Here's a diagram. We use these two adhesive pads to help keep dust and moisture out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I've got plenty more battery tips and repair videos coming your way. Okay, bye bye, see you, have a nice day.